Hello again, my friend. Okay, let's get to it again. You can slide it here. As you can see, we have some sliders here, and just like that you can move it in some angles. Here you can rotate it here in this angle and in this direction. Alright, and the next option is scale. Click on it, yes, and if you click on the point, on the dot at the center, you can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. And we have a slider for that as well. And that's it. Okay. Deselect all of it. We don't need them anymore. Okay. And this one. That was about the single placement. And the next one is we should go to mass placement. When you click on it, we have a bar here. Let me show it to you. Okay. Down here you can add items that you need. Alright, for example, I'm gonna add this item down there. For example, this one, and click plus. Another one, for example, from this part, yes, this tree, add, okay, and another one here, plus, for example, a rock. That's it. As you can see, the fine detail option is not working here. Yes. Okay, and let's add some flowers to it. For example, this one and this one here. Let's add another tree here. Very good. And now we should create a course for it. For example, from here to here. Alright, as you can see, it has set some items for us from the list below, but not all of them because of this part, number of items. We should increase it so it can show all of the items to us. See, just like that. Now it has set all the items randomly. Okay, the next slider is for its direction. See the angle for each item. Right, the next one is you can turn it on or turn it off. Place on ground. You want your items to be on ground or not in ground. It's up to you. You can turn it off or turn it on. For example, you have a street in your model. You want it to be on the street or in the street. The next part is randomized direction, which is when you increase it or decrease it, each item has a different angle. The next one is randomize spacing align line, which means when you increase it, the distance among the items will be random, not the same. Alright, and the next one is randomize offset from line, which means if you increase it, the items are not at the same line, are not in a row. And as you are increasing it, the items will be distributed at the same time, and they cover a wide surface. Okay, let's go back, but before that you should cancel it or save it. It's up to you. I'm gonna save it here. Very nice. Okay, the next option is cluster placement, which means when you click on it, it sets an item many times on many places at the same time, just like that. For example, I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, we have some flowers or we have some trees here on many places. And if you remember, in the previous versions, we have this feature by holding Z button. Please don't forget to use the shortcut button. For example, if you hold V, it sets many trees with different sizes. Okay, and I'm gonna set this tree here. Very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna hold L button to change the scale. Here, very nice. And now hold V to set in many different sizes. Okay, and the last option is paint placement. Yes, which is so useful and functional. You can control the density here, down here, the slider, and by this icon, which is paint selected objects, you can create the items just like that. See, you can reproduce it. Very, very good. It's so cool. It makes the project easier for you. Okay, now I'm gonna delete these items. Yes, it only deletes the item that I just selected, not all of it. All right, now select this one. Okay, now I'm gonna distribute it here. Very nice. Save it and let me zoom in. Very good. As you can see, it's big now because of that scale that we used. Okay, let me make it smaller. Very nice. Now I'm gonna paint it here. Very good. All right, and let's add some of it here again. Yes, that's good. But let me tell you again, if you want to delete all these plants, you should deselect all, yes, that, and select, and again go to paint, delete. It only deletes the selected item, not all of it. I repeated that so that you learn it better. Alright, so after that, if you wanna delete the palm trees, you should go to the palm trees here, yes, this part, and select the selected item that you have just selected and delete all of it. All the palm trees, not all the items. Alright, that's it, and I will see you next time.